Ready to grow your Threads following? Share your profile on Telegram and watch the connection grow. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to share Threads profile link on Telegram app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, locate the Threads app on your device and tap to open it. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the profile icon usually located at the bottom right corner. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see your post, bio and other details. Here you will see Share Profile button beside the Edit Profile option. Click on it. This is a built-in feature that makes it easy to share your Threads profile link with others. After tapping Share Profile, a menu will appear with multiple sharing options. This is where you can choose how to share your profile across various apps. From the list of apps, scroll until you find the Telegram icon. Tap on it to open the Telegram sharing interface. Once you tap the Telegram icon, the app will open, showing you a list of your recent chats and groups. Select a chat or a group you want to share your Threads profile with. Once you have selected the person, tap the send icon to share your profile. So this is how to share your Threads profile link on Telegram app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.